Ranking your videos on YouTube doesn't need to be time consuming. It doesn't need to be hard. It doesn't need to be difficult. If you follow this step-by-step tutorial, you'll be able to get hundreds of thousands of YouTube videos to your channel in less than a month. It's so easy. Anybody could do this.
Ooh, look at how cute you are, Hershey. Whoa. Look at that toy poodle right there. The cutest dog in the world. What's going on, guys? I'm going to be showing you today a super secret method that I came up with that allows me to get hundreds of thousands of views to my YouTube channel without any kind of bot, without any sort of automation. I simply just upload the YouTube video and I use the super secret method to get a lot of views. So I'm going to be showing you step by step exactly how I did this, how you can essentially replicate this. In a month, you can expect to get hundreds of thousands of views. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this step by step. So without further ado, we're going to go jump into my computer and I'm going to show you how to do that.
So this is one of my YouTube channels that I have. I created this channel a while back, 9 years ago, and I used the super secret method. I'm going to be explaining to you how to rank YouTube videos and how you can essentially get thousands of views, in some cases hundreds of thousands of views per YouTube video. And this is the step that I use to get this. So as we can tell, this is my channel. So we'll go over here, and I'm not faking any of these numbers here. And we can go over to the analytics, and I haven't, as you can tell, I haven't uploaded any videos in the last 8 months because I'm working on other projects. I'm still getting a ton of views coming in each month, and they're all ranking for the key phrases that I have. So yes, this method does work. I'm going to show you how I did this. So when you go and look at a video here, you're going to have, you can use any sort of keyword finder tool that will tell you what key phrases YouTube videos are essentially ranking for. And so I was able to basically go through other YouTube channels and I was able to find the key phrases that they're ranking for, okay? And I put all of those key phrases into the tags section here. So this is very important. When you have a YouTube video, that YouTube video will be ranking for a specific key phrase. And when that key phrase has a high search volume and low competition, your videos are going to be able to get a lot of views and they're going to be able to rank for that phrase because there's not a lot of competition for that. So what I would essentially do is compile them and then put all of these key phrases into my keyword tag when I'm uploading the YouTube video. So I'm using a tool called Video Marketing Blaster. Now, I showed you this when you go over to these key phrases right here. So we look over here and we get a list of these key phrases. This tool essentially allows you to see the overall competition for those key phrases. Without knowing the competition, it's really difficult to rank on YouTube. With Video Marketing Blaster, you're able to see high keyword phrases that may have a really high search volume and a low competition, so you're able to rank for those specific key phrases. And it's only $27. I highly recommend that you use this special software to rank your videos. It's an all-in-one. It allows you to do keyword research. It allows you to analyze competitors, so you don't have to constantly just go back onto other YouTube videos. It does most of the work for you. So highly recommend that you use this so that you can rank for the specific key phrases that have a high search volume and a low competition. So once my video was essentially ranking, okay, I was able to rank for these key phrases. This is very important. You're going to want to go and find forums related to your niche. So how you do this, you just go onto Google here and say, like, if it's make money online forum, and you're going to be able to find different forums just like this. So for the BBW channel that I started, I found a forum called curvage.org through Google. So if we look at this website here, we go into the overall traffic. We can see that it's getting a ton of, it's a high global rank, and it's getting over 1 million searches per month, 1 million active users per month. So when you put your YouTube video onto these forums, your video is going to be shown on these forums, and a ton of people are going to start watching your videos, because all you have to do is simply just share that YouTube video, copy the link, and then go over to the forums. I'll show you how to do this actually. Very easy. So I'll show you how this works. So just go here. This is an example forum here. You're going to be able to pick a forum like this. You're going to need to log in, and then you're going to have the option to essentially upload your YouTube video and embed your YouTube video onto this specific topic within this forum. And this is all you really have to do, because once your video is, number one, you understand how the key phrases work and you rank for those key phrases, you get a ton of traffic from those keywords, and then you also get a ton of traffic from these forums. And when you combine that, your videos will start ranking for those key phrases, and your videos will start being suggested on the YouTube search. And then this is how your videos essentially get ranked. So you'll start being able to rank for really competitive searches, and the more that you rank for them, the more authority your YouTube channel gets, and the easier it is for you to rank in the future. So this is why this is the best way to start building authority. And if we look over here on my YouTube channel, we can tell that I started this with this key phrase, Olivia Jensen, and then I started including key phrases like BBW Pog, porn star, things like this, and my videos were able to rank because I was able to upload onto forums like this, and I was able to get analytical data from a tool called Video Marketing Blaster. So it's very easy to do. The software works extremely well, and I highly recommend that you use it when you rank your YouTube videos. How I created these videos, where they were never really that long. I would simply just go and use a Windows Movie Maker, iMovie, and then simply just find clips that I can go and create a compilation with. So in my example here, I would use this ManyVids. And what ManyVids allows me to do over here is you take compilations of these videos here. So this is going onto a website called ManyVids, and then you can essentially just upload those compilations from those free previews, and this is how I'm able to go and create the videos for that. So it's very easy to do. You just simply create a compilation, and then you upload to forums, and then you use an application to rank for your keywords. And that's about it. I hope this helps.